everyone. Welcome back to Up English 101, the podcast where we help you learn real English for everyday life. I'm Sue.
And I'm Jake. Thanks for joining us today. We've got something really fun. We're talking about our favorite English phrases.
Yes, we'll each share 20 phrases we love using in daily life. These are simple, useful expressions you can use anywhere, at work, school, or with friends.
So, grab a notebook, sit back, and learn along with us. Let's jump right in.
Okay, Jake, I'll start with my first one. How's it going? It's a friendly way to ask how are you, but more casual. Example, hey Tom, how's it going?
I love that one. It sounds relaxed and natural, like how friends talk. You can say it anywhere, at school, at work, even at the store.
Phrase number 2, no worries. This means it's okay or don't worry about it. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries.
Yes. That one's so comforting. It instantly makes people feel better. Super positive energy.
Number 3, that's cool. We say this when we think something is good or interesting. Example, you got a new phone? That's cool.
Totally. It's short, friendly, and just feels good to say. You can even stretch it out. That's so cool.
Number 4, I'm just kidding. You use this when you're joking. Example, you're fired. I'm just kidding.
I've had to say that before too. Always good to make sure people know you're joking. Saves you from awkward moments.
Phrase 5, take your time. It means don't rush. Example, no hurry. Take your time.
That's such a gentle phrase. It shows patience and kindness. Perfect when someone feels pressured or nervous.
Number 6, fingers crossed. We say this when we hope for good luck. Example, I have a job interview today. Fingers crossed.
Oh yes, I use that all the time. It's such a cute way to show hope, and it makes people smile.
Number 7, I can't wait. We say this when we're excited about something. Example, I can't wait for the weekend.
Same here. Fridays just hit different when you say that. It's such a positive, upbeat phrase.
Number 8, it's up to you. This means you can decide. Example, where should we go? It's up to you.
Yeah, that's polite and friendly. It's perfect when you don't want to seem bossy.
Number 9, better late than never. It means it's okay to do something late rather than not at all. Example, you finally finished your homework. Better late than never.
I used to say that to my teacher when I handed in work late. It's funny but true. Doing it late is still better than giving up.
And number 10, you made my day. It means something made you very happy. Example, thanks for the gift. You made my day.
Oh, that's such a feel-good phrase. It really shows appreciation. People love hearing it. All right, my turn. My first phrase is, what's up? It's a casual way to say hello or ask how someone is. Example, hey, what's up?
So friendly. It's like the universal casual greeting. You can't go wrong with that one.
Number 2, I see what you mean. It shows you understand someone's opinion. Example, oh, I see what you mean about the movie.
That's really polite. It makes conversations smoother. People feel heard.
Number 3, that makes sense. We say this when something becomes clear. Example, that makes sense now.
Yes, it's great for showing understanding, especially in class or meetings.
Phrase 4, hang on a second. It means wait a moment. Example, hang on a second, I'll be right back.
I say that all the time when I can't find my phone. It's casual and polite, perfect for daily use.
Number 5, good for you. We use this to say well done or I'm happy for you. Example, you passed your test, good for you.
That's such a supportive thing to say. It really encourages others. Great for friends or students.
Number 6, I'm not sure. It means you don't know something completely. Example, I'm not sure about that answer.
It's honest but still polite. Perfect for when you're thinking it over.
Number 7, it doesn't matter. It means it's not important. Example, oh, I dropped my pen. It doesn't matter.
That's a great way to keep calm and kind. It avoids making small mistakes feel big.
Number 8, I'm starving. It means I'm very hungry. Example, let's eat, I'm starving.
That's me every afternoon too. It's a fun exaggeration. Everyone gets it.
Number 9, you never know. It means something is possible, even if it seems unlikely. Example, maybe I'll win the lottery. You never know.
That's such an optimistic phrase. It keeps conversations light and hopeful.
And number 10, it's not a big deal. It means it's okay or not serious. Example, sorry for spilling water. It's not a big deal.
That's so reassuring. Perfect when someone feels guilty. It's kind, simple, and calming. My next phrase is, I'm on my way. It means you're coming or going somewhere. Example, I'm on my way to school.
That's a text message classic. People use that every single day.
Number 12. That's a good point. You can say this to agree with someone in a discussion. Example, that's a good point. I didn't think of that.
Oh yeah, that's great in group talks or meetings. It makes you sound thoughtful and respectful.
Phrase 13. I'll think about it. It means you need time before deciding. Example, will you join us? I'll think about it.
That's so polite, not saying yes or no right away. It keeps things open and friendly.
Number 14. I'm just looking. You can say this in a shop when you don't need help. Example, can I help you? I'm just looking, thanks.
Perfect for travelers. Saves you from sales pressure while staying polite.
Number 15. It depends. It means the answer changes based on the situation. Example, will you go out? It depends on the weather.
I say that a lot too. It's realistic because, well, life depends on things.
Phrase 16. That's not fair. We say this when something feels wrong or unequal. Example, you got 2 gifts and I got 1. That's not fair.
That's true for everyone, from kids to grown-ups. It's one of those universal human phrases.
Number 17. Let's call it a day. It means stop working for now. Example, we're tired. Let's call it a day.
Yes, it's the perfect way to end work nicely. It means you've done enough for today. Time to rest.
Number 18. Keep it up. It means continue doing well. Example, you're improving your English. Keep it up.
That's a great motivational phrase. I say that to my students all the time.
Number 19. I'm proud of you. You say this to someone who did something good. Example, you passed your test. I'm proud of you.
That one melts hearts. Everyone needs to hear it sometimes.
And number 20. You can do it. It's an encouraging phrase. Example, you can do it. Don't give up.
That's perfect for motivation. It's short, strong, and full of energy. All right, here are my last 10. Number 11. That's awesome. It means something is amazing or great. Example, you won first place? That's awesome.
Such a happy phrase. It instantly spreads excitement and good vibes.
Number 12. I'm just saying. We use it when sharing an opinion politely. Example, maybe you could study more. I'm just saying.
That's how we soften advice, right? It keeps things friendly instead of sounding too direct.
Number 13. It's not my cup of tea. It means you don't really like something. Example, I don't like horror movies. They're not my cup of tea.
Oh yes, that's so British and polite. It's a nice way to disagree without offending anyone.
Number 14. I'm feeling under the weather. It means you feel a bit sick. Example, I'm not coming today. I'm feeling under the weather.
Good phrase to know. Sounds softer than just saying I'm sick.
Number 15. Piece of cake. It means something is very easy. Example, that test was a piece of cake.
Love that one. It's so visual, you can almost taste how easy it is.
Number 16. Break a leg. It's a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. Example, you have a big speech today? Break a leg.
Haha, funny how it means the opposite of what it sounds like. People always laugh the first time they hear it.
Number 17, hit the books. It means to study hard. Example, I have exams. I need to hit the books.
That's perfect for students. It sounds so active and motivating.
Number 18, call me back. It means to return a phone call. Example, I'll call you back later.
So useful for daily communication, especially in English-speaking countries.
Number 19, long time no see. We say this when we haven't met someone for a while. Example, hey, long time no see.
Always friendly and warm, it's like reconnecting instantly.
And my last one, the more the merrier. It means it's better when more people join. Example, can I bring my friend? Sure, the more the merrier.
That's such a cheerful phrase. It's all about including others and spreading joy.
So that's 40 of our favorite English phrases.
We hope you enjoyed them and can start using these in your daily life.
Don't forget to practice speaking. The more you use these phrases, the more natural your English will sound.
And remember to subscribe, like, and share Up English 101 so you don't miss our next episode.
Thanks for listening, and as always, keep it up.
See you next time, everyone!